Good morning friends, today it's 12th of June 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. So yesterday once again we witnessed that Nifty basically ended up into a range. Though initially it attempted a pullback in intraday, it made a high of 25,307 but the gains cooled off and it ended the session at 25,211 levels, up 0.2%. So this has been the third trading session that the index is hovering just around 25,200 levels, Nifty futures. And if we talk about the positional outlook, the bias remains range to positive over and above 24,400, 500 levels on the lower end and immediate 24,800 mark. But 25,200 remains an important make or break point between bulls and bears on a short-term time frame. The index need to sustain above this level in order to gain some short covering and fresh buying interest, which can take the index towards the higher levels of 25,800, 26,000 mark, which is an extended target of the current up move. Overall, we are expecting that the bias will remain consolidation and range, and index may end up into a broad consolidation zone in days and weeks to come. The broader range for Nifty trading band can be between 24,800 and 25,800 levels in days to come. For the day today, it's a weekly expiry for Nifty, and as per the OI data, maximum call build-up is at around 25,200, 25,500 and 26,000 strike price, while the maximum put build-up is at around 24,500 and 25,000 strike price. So 25,000 strike price remains the tug of war, holding over and above which the bias remains range to up. As per the intraday levels, 25,070 and 24,970, these are the buy levels, maintaining stop of 50 odd points, while 25,380 and 25,470, these are the sell levels. In respect of the Bank Nifty, which ended last session at 56,649, down minus 0.2%. It's a third consecutive negative closing for Bank Nifty from the highs of 57,165 made on 9th. Thereafter, the closing had been on our right side. And even if we see the Bank Nifty OI data, we find that it's indicating a kind of consolidation and range over and above 56,000 mark. The maximum call buildup is at 56,000, 57,000 strike price, and the maximum put buildup is at 56,000 and 55,000 strike price, which indicates a range or consolidation phase, which is also witnessed on the price as of now. For intraday players, Bank Nifty 56,380 and 56,050 are intraday support levels, which can be looked for buying, and 57,050 and 57,250 can be looked for selling, maintaining stop of 100 odd points. Overall, we have seen majorly all the indices are witnessing some kind of consolidation and profit taking. Yesterday, Nifty IT and Pharma index was holding up, and we believe that Nifty IT and Pharma can be looked for buying on dips. Rest other counters or indices can be within a range. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.